What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Low Speed Crawlers. This video is a little throwback from Hurkey Creek back in January 2022, and it was just a simple trail run, nothing too crazy. We're just here testing out some fresh builds that time, and I'm having a good time with my son. Here I was driving my TGH Sherpa with the BJ40 style body. Honestly, I haven't changed much on this build since then. I pretty much nailed the setup exactly how I wanted on the first try. And it turned into absolute rock crawling beast, and it's still one of my best build at this time. And here comes my son. He's driving the VS4-10 Ultra in its earliest stage, and it was still mostly stock. I had it set up with some of the best electronics available at that time, along with metal wheels and Proline Hyrex tires. And over the years, I've continued grading and fine-tuning this truck, and now I can confidently say it has become a really strong performer. For my son, this was one of his first time driving a RC crawler. So for me, this video is more about the memory, the family time, and enjoying the trail run together. Sometimes it's not about hitting the perfect line or having the best setup. Sometimes it's just about getting outside, putting the trucks on the trail, and having fun. So in this video, we are heading back to Hurkey Creek to enjoy a little father and son trail run. And this is it for this little throwback trail run at Hurkey Creek. Looking back at this video, it is cool to see these trucks in their early stage. But what makes it special for me is the time spent with my son. Just walking the trail, driving the crawlers, laughing, learning, and making memories together. I think that's really what this hobby is about for me. I can't deny the builds are fun, the upgrades are fun, but the moments we share with family and friends are what make it worth it for me. Alright guys, we are heading to the end of the line of this trail. And I just wanted to say thanks for watching and hanging out with us here at Low Speed Crawlers. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links down below. Using those links helps support the channel. Make sure to follow along for more RC crawling, trails, and builds. This is Low Speed Crawlers, and see you guys on the next run.